guys, welcome to Joseph Plumbers. I'm here now. I want to show you how to connect the kitchen sink. This is the kitchen of this mansion. So I want to show you how to connect the waste. First, you start by closing the magic bottle on the kitchen sink. This is our kitchen sink. You can see this is our kitchen sink, and this is the tray of a kitchen sink. This is the tray of a sink. You can see it. You put it like this. This is a tray where you put your soap here. You can see it how it is moving. You can decide to put here on this side like this. And then this is the kitchen tap. This is our kitchen tap. You see it. It is our kitchen tap. You put here. Put it like this. On this side you can see it how I'm putting. Alright, this is our kitchen sink. I want to tighten it using the back nut. This is the back nut of this tap. You can see it. This is our back nut. Yeah. Already our tap is ready now. You can see it. So guys, this is the waste of this sink. So I wanted to install it on this sink. This is if you see this figure, is the S trap. This is the S trap. This is the S trap where the water remains, so that to prevent the bad smell from coming to this sink. You remember to put the rubber when you want to tighten it on the sink. And then this is the T that is diverting from the ball. Our sink is the double ball. You can see it. This one received from this side, and this one received from this side, whichever the case. So you tighten your magic bottle trap like this. This is our magic bottle trap of the kitchen sink, like that. Then you put the rubber. You close it on the sink like this, the way I'm closing it. You see, like that. This is our magic. This is our trap that is trapping the bad smell. Then you take the back nut to close this. You tighten it like this. Like that, guys. Already our sink is ready now. So continue subscribing as I'm going to prepare another procedure for this kitchen sink. Thanks.